Just for reference, this is a bad boy. It is a Maverick, the non-HD model from Tractor Supply, of course. All right, what we're doing here is we're gonna find the light, the key switch. So you have your off, you have your lights, and then you have your run and your start here, okay? So if you look down here, as we pull up the seat, look down here, you're gonna find this little pigtail right here, this two-piece or two-wired connector. And if you go to Amazon, you can actually find the correct two-wire connector that will fit into it. So this will connect into that, and it's got the rubber around it to keep it sealed. So what we're going to do is find out if this is the actual power for the light function on the key switch. Okay, so right now the key switch is off. We're in the off position here, and we're going to put our test light. See if I can put that in there. All right, I'm going to put the phone down here for a second. So here is our test light. We are hooked to the ground here. So I'm going to move the key switch. So see if you can see that there. I'm going to move the key switch here to the light portion, and you see that test light did come on. So there's off, there's on for just the light. And then if we move it to the run position, so the light goes out. So you have light function, run function, and there it's out. So I'm assuming the other side is ground. The way we can do that is we can take this off. We'll go to the other side. I may have to set you down. All right, we'll go to the other side, and then we're going to touch our power here, and there you go, there's ground. So there's power. That should be a ground, hopefully. All right, so there you have it. Should be able to connect to that. Now I would suggest you have a relay in your lighting system, okay? And make sure you don't overload that circuit. And that's what I would do. That's just my opinion. You do what you think is best. But that connector right there, it's like right behind, or actually right on where your seat springs are, on that bar that goes across the back there. So there you have it.